7 Whiskey Tango, then everybody's clear to go.
Okay, so how long before 7 Whiskey Tango?
When I do my run-up, and when I get the clearance, if anybody hasn't finished their run-up or whatever, just say, we need a minute, we need a few more minutes, that way we can all hit.
And what are we, 10-second departure intervals or what?
What is it? And if we're doing 1-4 and going toward Ocean Springs, I guess a left turn out and then go north to the back bay and just scoot them on, just say pretty much I-10, take I-10 there.
Just listen to the tower. As far as we know, we'll advise the tower that to the extent possible to go ahead and give you that left turn course. And if they can, they may hold you for a minute if there's traffic for some reason, just so we can give you that turnout right away. And then you just, you'll look forward, make your left turn out, and everybody will follow you. The tower frequency will be your departure frequency. You guys will just stay on that frequency the whole time.
He wants to stay.
Little south,
We go over near the bottom right, over the back bay.
Okay, over the back bay.
Over the back bay.
Then we're going to make the right turn into Ocean Springs, hook it back, catch the bridge, and then it's
Then drop down to Fox.
okay, yeah. All right, I'll just go right over there. He's ready.
Can anybody take any
I need time out, please.
Okay, listen up, please. Everybody focus. Listen up.
Please.
Listen up, everybody. Please focus.
Is anybody here willing to take a passenger with you? That can be a spotter. Is anybody has?
I'm going north.
No, you can't.
I'm coming back.
You're coming back. And how many people you got in your plane?
Just two.
Just two, so you can have one more person? Okay. Anybody else?
Did you want to go?
No.
Actually, we're doing a
We
protocol.
got these two gentlemen that are waiting.
Oh, okay. But if we do have an extra, these two gentlemen are waiting. How many could
He
take?
goes first.
How many could take a third passenger?
You can't.
Well, I gotta head back.
Well, just raise your hand if you could take at least one.
Just one. There's only one airplane. We're gonna have to take. Okay.
They're trying to do a YouTube.
Thank you.
We're full.
Can we take your grandfather?
If my grandfather could get a seat, that would be great.
Well, let's take him first.
I'll wait here.
Is that okay?
What's that?
The gentleman over there would like to
Absolutely.
ride?
Absolutely.
Okay. I need you to start. Okay.
If you guys are going to break off, you're going to break off after y'all do your run. Wait until you're out of the bridge
Oh, yes.
to call if you want flight call, okay? Once you get to that point, if you decide that you're going to break off and go north, wait till you get a few miles north before you call for the flight following so that we don't have everybody grouped together.
Like north of I-10.
Right, north of I-10. Now, anybody that's in between the lead aircraft and the trailing aircraft should be squawking either standby or off. No vehicle